This cable is a 6-row repeat worked on a multiple of 7 plus 3. For my sample, I used worsted weight yarn and US size 7 needles. For my sample, I also added some garter stitches at the beginning and end of each row, just so I have a neat and tidy sample. The pattern itself is just what you see here. There is a reverse stockinette background for the cable. So I'll mention my extra edge stitches for the first couple of rows and then I'll skip over them, and we'll just concentrate on the stitch pattern for the cable itself. You will also need a cable needle for this stitch. I used the medium-sized cable needle from this set in the video. So just knitting my 3 garter stitches at the beginning. Then for the cable pattern, you're going to repeat purl 3, knit 4, purl 3, knit 4, and then you'll end your last repeat with purl 3, and then I just have my 3 edge stitches. Three edge stitches, and then the repeat for row 2 is knit 3, purl 4, or you can just knit each stitch as it appears if you don't want to count. You'll end your last repeat with knit 3, and then I just have my edge stitches. For row 3, you're going to repeat purl 3, knit 4, or again just knitting each stitch as it appears. And end your last repeat with purl 3. For row 4, you repeat knit 3, purl 4. And end your last repeat with knit 3. For row 5, you repeat purl 3, and then you take your cable needle and slip 2 stitches to the cable needle and hold them in the front of the work. Knit 2 stitches from the left needle, and then you're going to knit the 2 stitches from your cable needle. You can knit them directly from the cable needle or slip them back to the left needle. So you purl 3, slip 2 stitches to a cable needle and hold in the front, knit 2 from the left needle, knit the 2 stitches from the cable needle. And end the repeat with purl 3. For row 6, you repeat knit 3, purl 4, and end your last repeat with knit 3. And just repeat those 6 rows for your cable.